Right. The question here, it requires us to find the sum of the terms in an arithmetic sequence. So that is to say, we are saying if you are given an arithmetic sequence, for example, in this case, 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus the next term, in this case is 14 plus 17 plus, and so on and so on. So the question is saying we'll keep on adding the terms until we have 20 terms, until term number 20. So the question is it requires us to find the sum of that. What is the answer when we add those? So in order to be able to do this, let's summarize our things. We are saying our first term, which we call to A as A, we are saying our first term is 5. Then importantly, we also need the common difference D. Our D is given by, in this case, term 2 minus term 1, that is 8 minus 5. In this case, it's equals to 3. You will see that it's also the same that you get when you say 11 minus 8, which also gives you a 3. Then from there, as we summarize our things, we also need to find how many terms are we dealing with. In this case, how many terms are we adding? We are adding up to 20 terms, which means our n is equals to 20. Then from there, let me straight away give you the formula for finding sum to n of an arithmetic sequence. Sum to n, we shorten it by saying Sn. It's given by the number of terms n divided by 2 into 2 multiplied by a, then from there plus d into n minus 1, close bracket. That is the formula, which means the next thing now, we just need to substitute. In this case, it's now sum to n. Our n is 20, so it becomes sum to 20 is equals to, our n here is 20 over 2 into 2 multiplied by a, and our a is 5, plus our d is 3 into our n is 20 minus 1, close bracket, close bracket. Make sure there are two brackets there. Then which is now equals to, as we simplify, 10 over 2, which 20 over 2, which is 10, into 2 times 5, there is another 10, plus 3 times, 20 minus 1 is 19, 19 times 3, that is 57, and now, which is now equals to 57 plus 10, that's 67 times 10, which is 670. So which means sum to n in this case, it's 670. I'm sure it's clear. What is important is you must just master your formula, and the substitution must be right. You must just make the right substitution. Thank you so much. May God bless you.